The National Savings Certificate (NSC) is a government-backed, low-risk fixed income savings scheme in India, primarily for residents with a 5-year maturity period and a 7.7% annual interest rate. It offers guaranteed returns and tax deductions of up to rupees 1.5 lakh under Section 80C. The minimum investment is rupees 1000 with no maximum limit. Key features of NSC interest rate currently 7.7% per annum, compounded annually but payable only at maturity. Tenure the maturity period is 5 years. Eligibility resident individuals, including adults, minors above 10, or jointly up to 3. National Savings Certificates 8th issue NSC interest rate WAVE 1/10/2025 amount invested rupees 35 lakhs year 5 years total interest rupees 15 lakhs 71,619 maturity amount rupees 50 lakhs 71,619 NSC or KVP calculation details certificate type certificate type NSC 8th maturity period 5 interest rate 7.7 interest rupees 15 lakh 71,619 net amount rupees 50 lakhs 71,619 KVP maturity period 9 years 7 months interest rate 7.5 interest rupees 35 lakhs net amount rupees 70 lakhs adults minors above 10 or jointly up to 3 adults can invest non-eligible NRIs HUFs and trusts are not eligible minimum or maximum investment minimum is rupees 1000 and subsequent investments must be in multiples of rupees 100 there is no maximum limit safety as it is a government backed scheme it is considered safe benefits and tax implications tax benefits investments up to rupees 1.5 lakh per financial year qualify for deductions under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act. Interest taxation the interest accrued annually is reinvested and this reinvested amount also qualifies for ATC deductions. However, the interest is taxable upon maturity. National Savings Certificate details. No TDS. There is no tax deduction at source TDS on interest payments. Loan facility. NSCs can be pledged as security for loans from banks. How to open an NSC account? Visit post office. Go to the nearest post office. Fill form. Complete the NSC application form. Submit documents. Provide identity proof, PAN, Aadhaar, and address proof. Deposit amount. Pay via cash or check. Certificate. A passbook or certificate is issued. Premature closure. Premature withdrawal is generally not allowed except in specific scenarios like the death of a national savings certificate. Interest calculation. Interest rate, total interest, tenure years, maturity amount. Total interest 7.70%. Interest rate amount 1000. Total interest rupees 449. Maturity amount 1449. 5000. Total interest 2245. Maturity amount 7245. 10,000. Total interest 4490. Maturity amount 14,490. 20,000. Total interest 8,981. 28,981. 30,000. 13,471. Total amount 43,471. For 40,000, interest is 17,961. Total amount 57,961. For 50,000, 22,452. Total amount 72,452. Types of national savings certificates. Single holder type certificate. Joint A type certificate. Joint B type certificate. It is issued directly to the holder or on behalf of the minor. It is jointly issued to two adults and payable to both holders jointly. It is also jointly issued to two adults but payable to either of them. National Savings Certificate NSC 2025. Safe and Smart Investment. India Post NSC at 7.7% interest, April-June 2025. Tax Saving Section 80C. Government backed security, 5-year lock-in. NSC Yearly Report. Year 1. Amount deposited rupees 1,50,000. Interest and 10,200.01. Year end balance 1,60,200. Year 2. Amount deposited 0. Interest and 10,893. Year end balance 1,71,093. Third year. Amount deposited 0. Interest and 11,634. Balance 1,82,727. Fourth year. Deposit 0. Interest 12,425.51. Balance amount 1,95,153.50. Fifth year. Deposit 0. Interest is 13,270. Total balance 2,08,423.94. Total deposit 1,50,000. Interest 58,423.94. Balance 2,08,423.94.